Alright. Magic the Gathering. Let's unbox this shit. This is a core set 2019 booster packs. I got 2 of them. Let's open her up. Fucking open the thing. Teenager versus packaging 1. For the sweet tasty prize of another piece of packaging I have to open. That was easy. Holy shit, more lifelink. This needs to be stopped. Oof. Alright. Oof. M19s. They're looking pretty sick. Alright, if there's anything useful. Interesting. I have more Childhood Knights to put in my lifelink deck. That's cool. Ooh. Oh, that's so cool. Alright. It's basically like, I already have one of those. Why did you remake it? Alright. The only one I really give a shit about in this one is the Mythic Rare. I lucked out hard. Alright, Apex of Power. It costs 10! What? Okay. Exile the top 7 cards of your library. Until end of turn, you may cast non-land cards exiled this way. The spell was cast from your hand. Add 10 mana of any one color. So, fuck it, I'll talk to someone about that one. Anyways, about the rest of the booster. Lifelink. Some stuff I could use in the islands. Really interesting. Stuff I can throw in the green, red, or the green, white. Really, it's all the same. I can have a more expensive version of Shock. Some flying creatures, a good buff. Oh, yeah, that's pretty cool. So Rise from the Grave is basically kind of like you choose a creature from a graveyard. It doesn't have to be yours. It can be a graveyard. It's pretty cool. And you basically control that as a black zombie type, which is pretty nice. It's a nice idea. But holy shit, Apex of Power is expensive. Alright. Let's crack this open. So, the M19 artwork, I don't think... Are you serious? Yeah. I got 2 of the same card. I'm just staring at it right now. So the M19 artwork, I don't think it's changed that much from M15. Because my first pack was an M15... what's it called? Starter. And it wasn't a booster pack. It was a... I forgot what it was. Basically, it had a ton of stuff in it. And I still have all those cards. Are you serious? Alright. Okay. Oof. Again, I have another one of those. I have another one of these. I'm seriously getting stupid unlucky and hitting dumb shit. Ooh. Okay. Alright, so... Wait, how's that looking? I'm like staring down at my card. It looks awkward as hell. Right. So basically, I got duplicates of Tormenting Voice. Discard a card, and then draw 2 cards. I already have a Orozco Swiftclaw somewhere. Divination, I may or may not have. I don't know. I definitely have some Mind Draughts lying around. Take Vengeance is another duplicate I have. Electrify. That's the duplicate one. It's really cool. I got Submerged Boneyard. It's a island swamp land. Alright, so let's talk about the best one here. The rare one. Alright, we got Vivian's Invocation. It's a sorcery. Costs 7. Holy shit. What? Why did I pull the most expensive shit out? Right. Look at the top 7 cards of your library. I may put a creature card onto the battlefield and the rest at the bottom in a random order. When a creature is put onto the battlefield this way, it deals damage to its power through target creature an opponent controls. That's interesting, but like the only way I can see that not working is if you don't have a creature in your top 7 draws, which shouldn't it shouldn't happen, but it could happen. Alright. There's only 2 packs. I'm broke. I hope you enjoyed the video.